Regularly updating passwords is essential for digital security, reducing the risk of unauthorized access and cyber attacks. As cyber threats advance, static passwords become increasingly vulnerable. Periodic password changes limit the effectiveness of compromised credentials and act as a proactive defense against the fallout from data breaches. This practice enhances both personal and organizational security by preventing potential exploits and malicious activities. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change your Windows password to ensure your computer and your account are safe and secure. Resetting your Windows password is easy. If you're already logged into your computer but you want to change your password, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, then select Change a Password. Follow the prompts to enter your old password, and then enter the new password that you would like. Click on the arrow button or hit the Enter key to confirm your new password. A strong password is your first line of defense within your cyber footprint. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And for an extra layer of security, why not use a password manager like Keeper? It generates strong passwords and stores them securely so you don't have to remember every single one. Experts recommend changing your password every 3 to 6 months. And with a password manager, keeping up with this best practice becomes a breeze. Remember, keeping your passwords updated is a simple yet effective step towards safeguarding your digital life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Hit that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and solutions involving all things tech. Unique Computing Solutions. Your IT challenges solved.